Hey, if you're enjoying our content, please take a moment now and subscribe and like.
All right, so we got all the models here. Got the Eduro in. This is the cross country because it's the 48 volt, and these two are the trails. All right, here's me and Darren having some fun in the parking lot. Dasha, get out of the way. I don't even crank it all the way. Oh, like my heart's beating. They make me nervous. Woo! Yeah. Okay. So EMMO is the official distributor of these in Canada. So you can't get these from anywhere else, really, other than me. We can ship them across Canada. So just wanted to go through the differences, right? So the Eduro, different suspension. Darren feels like it's more torquey, and it definitely, maybe it's just the tires, it's more grip, but they're all 8,000 watts. Now, you will be able to license these. That'll be another video, but that's really, really exciting. They come with the NIVIS. So, Eduro, cross country, and trail. The cross country is the 48 amp hour. The other two are 30 amp hour. They come with 9.8 fast chargers. So these are going to charge up in 2 to 3 hours, if not less, depending on where you're at. And this is the lineup. They are $59.99 for these two. And the 48 volt is another $2,000, which is a lot, to be honest. But whatever, that's what it is. And so, again, we're just getting these, so I don't have any technical yet. But they all can come with mirrors, but obviously with the Eduro, you don't have the rear tail lights, so you're not going to be able to make these roadworthy. But so these are your two options here, 30 amp or 48 to go on the road. And yeah, that's it. I'll do another video. Okay, perfect.